Look at all of the flowers. It's so pretty. This is true beauty. Look at this. So today in my backyard, my plum tree has fully bloomed all of its flowers and it smells like perfume. Look at this. That is art. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so outstanding. I am in love. This is what you call perfection. So it has flowered on every branch. Now my pear tree just started doing its work. I will show you my other plum tree on this side. So these plum trees are very established in my yard. They have been here forever. I mean many years. So this plum tree here, same thing. So when I look out of my window, it is really like looking out of a magazine. Yeah. I'll show you my cherry tree down here. So my cherry tree, this flowered first. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This doesn't even look real. Look at this. Oh my goodness. At the greenhouse, Lacoste Garden Centre. Let's go. So today I'm at the garden center, my favorite place of the season. Everything here is just so beautiful, so green. Let's take a walk and look at all of the colors. I'm not sure who else feels like this, but when you come into a garden center and you breathe in this air, it is the cleanest, freshest air that there is. And look at their hanging baskets. Like, they have set them up so beautiful. Like, just stunning. And it is very warm in here. It feels like it's plus 30 degrees Celsius. Wow. Look at these impatiens. Oh my goodness. I think this garden center is going to be taking all of my money today. Wow. I'm not trying to walk too fast, but there's also a lot of people shopping today because of the weather. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Wow, look at this place. This place is huge. I come here every year. growing up with my dad and my mom. I used to come here growing up, and now I'm coming here. And I'm here today shopping for all of my veggies and some flowers. Maruga peppers. Look at the pepper plants. This is algae. This is from Trinidad. So they have the Carolina Reapers here. They have it all wrapped up and incubated. These are Scotch bonnets, the red hot Scotch bonnets. Really awesome. I usually grow the yellow, but this is nice. So now I'm going to choose some tomato plants. So far, this is what I chose for the garden. If you know, you know. So today at the garden center, it's been a lot of fun. It's busy. So in this section, they have a little bit more selection of fruit trees. So they have here a dwarf cherry tree, and that is what I do have in my backyard. It's really good. These are very healthy. I was looking for the lemon trees, but I think that's on the other side. So these are the strawberry plants. I could tell already just by the leaves. How many of you can identify a plant based on the leaf of the plant? That took me a long time, but I think I've got it down. So I'm just looking for a mint plant. There's so many to choose. Iced chili. I don't know about those. I usually like to go with what I know. This one looks pretty good. Yeah. So I chose the mojito mint. This is the dill. I usually plant dill by seed, and it grows really good. What else? What else, guys? Let's see what else I missed. Spearmint. Huh. This is a beautiful garden center. There's a store on the other side that sells clothing. They have a coffee shop over there. And then all the little gardening accessories. Look at this. What? This is going to be a big bill. today's haul for the garden center looks like this. If you know, you know. Check out those healthy plants. Let's see how big we can grow these bad boys. So I'm back to pick up some more tomatoes. Second trip out to this beautiful greenhouse. I am absolutely in love with all of their healthy plants. So I'm just gonna choose a few different varieties and I'm gonna be planting today again. So I'm back at Lacoste Garden Centre. I forgot to pick up more tomatoes the last time I was here. So I had to restock. I didn't take a trolley, I just took a basket and I should have taken one. What are you gonna do? I picked up more stuff. I thought if I took a basket, it would encourage me to maybe take less, and I'm not sure what happened here, but here we are. This is my last haul for gardening. So this is the greenhouse, Lacoste Garden Centre. So busy. It's Saturday. This is my second weekend here. Last haul. If anyone knows about gardening, they know it's expensive. Gardening has gotten a lot more costly. Know what you're buying because it does matter. You can't just plant things and not use it. That is where they have all the fruit trees in there. But I have enough fruit trees. And this place is very busy. Now it's time to head home.